Hello and welcome to the Grand Finals for Category 1, Telangana State of the Sakshi Math Bee, presented by Duke's Wafy in association with Trips International School, Rajahmundry. Congratulations to all our finalists for making it through to this stage of the competition. You've beaten out some really tough competition to make it here. There were over 10,000 students who took part in the Math Bee this year. So please give yourselves a big round of applause. Before we get started, I'd like to take you through the rules and format of the competition. In the first round, every contestant gets 2 questions. If you get both questions right, you make it through to the next round directly. If you get both questions wrong, you're eliminated. And if you get 1 right and 1 wrong, then you get a third tiebreaker question to try and make it through to the next round. From there on in, it's a single question elimination till we get our winner. Any questions? Let's start. So we'll have contestant number 1, Anish from Chirek International School. Let's have the first question on screen.
B.
1917. Actually C, 1907. Second question, please.
A.
Actually D, 39 centimeters. Okay. Contestant number 2. Let's have the first question on screen.
D.
D, 3 p.m. Actually 2 p.m. Ready for your second question?
(22).
C,
Yeah.
22. Half on Sunday, that's 30. 19 on Monday, that's 49. So there are 11 remaining. Thank you. Next, we have Daivik from Kennedy High, the Global School. Question, please.
B. B.
Option B, it's A. 3 by 10, 2 by 5, and then half, and then 3 by 10. Let's have the second question on screen.
B.
B, 240. That's right. Next, we have contestant number 4. That's Ritvik from Shine High School, Warangal. Question on screen, please.
Option B.
Option
B.
B, 30, 56. 2 times into 28. Okay. Let's have the question on screen.
A.
A, 750, 850, 1.6 kgs. Okay. Next, we have contestant number 5, Yogita from Oxford School, Khammam. First question, please.
Option B.
B, 1900. Incorrect. 1009. That's 999 plus 10. Okay. Are you ready for your second question?
Yes.
Let's have the question on screen, please.
Option D.
Option
D.
D, 4900. It's 5100. Approximately 5100. Okay. Next, we have contestant number 6. That's Hemant Sai from Shine High School, Khammam. First question, please.
Answer A.
It's 9000 minus 2. That's 8998. Okay. Are you ready for your second question?
Yes, sir.
Let's have the second question on screen.
Answer B.
No, it's 42 miles. Thanks. Let's have contestant number 7 on stage, Bhanu Teja from Akshara Grammar School, Mahbub Nagar. First question, please.
C.
It's actually 24 inches. If it had 4 layers, then it would be 32. Let's have the question on screen, please.
Option D.
B, 160. Okay. Next, we have contestant number 8, Akhil Saran Vinjamuri from Kennedy High, the Global School. First question, please.
Option A.
Option A, 2000. Absolutely right. Let's have the second question on screen.
Option C.
C, 1.6, 0.6. 8 minus $7. Thank you. Next we have contestant number 9, Ahan from Churek International School. Question please.
Option C.
84. It's actually 12 because 7 of them are 28. Let's have the second question on screen.
A.
Excellent answer. Next we have contestant number 10. First question please.
Option number A.
Thousands digit, 4 more than the ones digit. So 8964. Ready for the second question?
Yes.
Question please.
Option number D.
So 1.5 liters is 1500 ml. Each cup is 300 ml, so you can fill 5 cups. Thank you. Next we have contestant number 11, Akshaya from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Adilabad. First question please. No? Okay, no problem. We'll move on to the next question. Let's have the second question on screen.
Option C.
Absolutely right. Next we have contestant number 12, Divija Kar from Cornerstone Public School, Hyderabad. Question please.
D.
387. That's right. Second question please.
B.
40. If you remove the 0, you'll have got the right answer. It's 4. Thanks. Next we have contestant number 13, Jasraj Kulkarni from Oak Ridge International School. First question please.
Option A.
Option A, 4647. Ready for the second question? Let's have the question on screen.
C.
1.89. It's 2.6. Next we have contestant number 14, Ayush Prasad from Oak Ridge International School. First question please.
Option C.
So they get packed into 4 dozens, but at the end of it there'll be 2 pencils remaining, which do not get packed. Okay? Are you ready for the second question? Let's have the question on screen.
The manager left at 5:40 A.
That's correct. Finally, we have contestant number 15, Arush Odugu from Oak Ridge International School. Question number 1 on screen, please.
B.
B, 49 kgs, 15 grams.
Yeah.
Absolutely right. Ready for the next question?
Yes.
Let's have the question on screen.
D. 2
D,
hours.
2 hours. Great answer. That's absolutely right. So at the end of this round, we have one contestant who got both questions correct. We have 7 contestants who are eliminated and 7 others who got 1 question correct. So we'll now have the tiebreaker round, that's 1 question elimination for those 7 people. So I'll call you on stage one by one to answer 1 question, okay? We have Daivik from Kennedy High, the Global School. Question please.
C.
C, 24 kgs, 785 grams. It's 875 grams. Okay. Bad luck. Good attempt. Next we have contestant number 8, Akhil Saran Vinjamuri from Kennedy High, the Global School. Question please.
C. Option C.
7:30 a.m., 3.5 hours. Contestant number 9, question on screen please.
Option B.
Option
B.
B, 2 hours 20 minutes. Absolutely right. Next we have contestant number 11, Akshaya from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Adilabad. Question please.
Option C.
Option C, 2000 ml. Absolutely right. Next we have contestant number 12, Divija Kar from Cornerstone Public School, Hyderabad. Question please.
A.
A, 1829. B, 190. Next we have contestant number 13, Jasraj Kulkarni from Oak Ridge International School. Question please.
4486.
Option B,
B.
4486.
Oh.
It's 3486. Next we have contestant number 14, Ayush Prasad from Oak Ridge International School. Question please.
Option B.
That's correct. So we now have 4 contestants who've made it through to the second round. So let's start with contestant number 9. Question please.
Option B.
Option
B.
B, 160, 164. Contestant number 11. Let's have the question on screen please.
Option A.
Option A, 13. That's right. Next we have contestant number 14. Question please.
C.
C, 18. Absolutely right. Contestant number 15. Question please.
D.
D, 3 hours 38 minutes, 2 hours 48 minutes. Okay. So we have 2 contestants who are battling for first and second place, and we have 2 contestants who are in the hunt for third place. So let's have the third place contest first. So we have contestant number 9. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Question please.
Option A.
Option A, 158. That's correct. Contestant number 15. Question please.
D.
D, 54. Absolutely right. Contestant 9. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Question please.
Option C.
Option C, $14. Absolutely right. Ready?
Yeah.
Question please.
A.
A, 680. Absolutely right. Question on screen.
Option B.
Option
B.
B, 454. That's correct. Question please. I need an answer.
C.
C, 616. That's correct. Let's reduce the timer to 30 seconds now. Question please. I'll need an
B.
answer.
B.
B, 2951. Okay. Question please. Remember 30 seconds.
B.
B, 102. That's absolutely right. So we have our third place, that's the bronze medal winner, contestant number 15, Arush Udugu. Now we have the first and second place battle between contestants 11 and 14. Let's have the question on screen, please.
B.
B, 14. 14 dogs. have 4 legs each, so 56 boots. Come. Question, please.
Option D.
Option?
D.
It's 56 inches, so that's 4 feet 8 inches. Number 11, please. Question, please. 5 seconds to go. I need an answer. You can take your seat now. Let's have contestant number 14 on stage. Question, please.
B.
B, 67. Absolutely right. So we have our gold, silver and bronze medal winners decided. Our bronze medal winner is contestant number 15, Arush Odugu from Oak Ridge International School. You can just stand up there. Just stand up. Next we have our silver medal winner is contestant number 11. That is Akshaya from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Adilabad. Our gold medal winner is contestant number 14. That is Ayush Prasad from Oak Ridge International School, Hyderabad. Every one of the contestants did amazingly well. These were very tough questions and a lot of them had to do with understanding and wordplay. So please give them all a huge round of applause. You can sit down. That brings us to the end of this grand final for Category 1, Telangana State, of the Sakshi Math Bee, presented by Duke's Wafy in association with Trips International School, Rajamundry. We've reached the end of this grand final and we have our gold, silver and bronze winners. But before we give you your medals, we'd like the rest of the contestants to form a line near the stage and come one by one to collect your medals. Okay, can we please have our chief guest and our main sponsor, Mr. Arvind Kumar, on stage. He's the CEO of Dukes India. Please give him a big round of applause. Before we hand out the prizes to our medal winners, sir, we'd
the kid. We are spending time with the kids due to this event. So thanks Sakshi for making it possible. And I also came with my son to show him that this is how people compete. And they are really brilliant kids. Big applaud for all the kids who have participated. We at Dukes always love kids because our kids are our God. And we make all the products and our products are mainly enjoyed by the kids. And we always look forward that we make better and better products so that they enjoy more and more and we bring more healthier products. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words. We'll have our winners on stage to collect their medals and certificates now. Can we have our bronze medal winner? That's contestant number 15. Arush Odugu from Oak Ridge International School, Hyderabad. Gift hamper from Duke's Wafy. Contestant number 11, Akshaya from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Adilabad. Finally, we have our gold medal winner, contestant number 14, Ayush Prasad from Oak Ridge International School. Okay, let's have medal winners here. And can we have the families of the gold, silver and bronze medal winners also on stage, please? Come for a group photo.